Brothers and sisters, bunions and blisters, children of all ages, I am your boy T-Squared, the Renaissance Man, coming to you live with another mobile home tour extravaganza. Today we're in Elizabeth City, North Carolina, Clayton Homes, and today we're checking out the Atlantic. This double wide has 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,896 square feet of mobile home heat. So as always, kids, keep all hands and feet inside the ride and play nice with others. Let's ride. Holy grand entrance, Batman. Check out this layout. So coming in through the front door, panoramic style, you got your dining room right there. You got your living room area right here to your left. Got your kitchen area over here to your right. And yeah, rub your eyes twice, there's another seating area over there. Shibuya, right there in that area. Oh, we got a treat for y'all today. She is a looker here. Look at here, look at here. Boy, look at here. This is a lot of house right now. This is, once again, the Atlantic. This is how we doing it today, people. Love it, love it, love it. Got a nice rainy day. Probably blown out on my exposure here, but nice rainy day out here in Elizabeth City, out here in Clayton. But we still come out here in all weather conditions and make things happen for the good people. So I guess we'll start in a share living room. We got our formal area right here. Always decked out to the nines as usual. With the decor. Nice aesthetic. Got our built-in lights. So as you all know, I gotta test out the area and make sure that it is lazy man approved. So we're nice and comfy up here in the cut, checking out the layout of the formal living room. Now we're a little bit different. Normally I'm sitting in the living room and I'm staring directly ahead at the kitchen, but we got a little different layout today. We got a couple of new things going on today. So primarily you'll have your TV right there on that back wall, and then your sight lines to the kitchen is off to your right. So while we're speaking of said kitchen, let's go ahead and dive into it. So everything is real spacious. Feels like you're taking a whole lap around the world just to get from one area to the other, which I like. A lot of wide open floor space, a lot of echo room, if you will, in here. You can hear my voice bouncing around like a dodgeball in here. So nice kitchen area, very lovely layout here. Got our modern finishes here. Stainless steel appliances. We got our farmhouse style sink, dishwasher. We got the coveted island. You see here we got our electrical socket here in the island with our plug-ins. And you would notice my abnormally large glasses sitting over here on the island. Hey, even Superman had to turn into Clark Kent and throw his glasses on, so I'm no exception, right? Very nice layout here. Now from here, you got sight lines from the kitchen directly into the seating area right off of the kitchen, which is also right off of the dining room, and I'll show you that in a moment. Always coming through with a decor and a nice look. You can see that the island definitely has at least 2 seating here. So you can go ahead and shack up right here at the island, get your breakfast nook on if you don't want to sit down and do the formal dining experience. Nice stove, nice hood range, plenty of cabinet space. I love it, I love it, I love it. Farmhouse style sink. Got your modern faucet here. Pretty deep, pretty deep. Got to put on some scuba gear to get to the bottom of that sink. So over here we got nice little space for pantry here. Pretty giddy about this one, man. This is a nice spot. Very nice thought out area. Almost even more cozier than the actual living room area. So from here, we got the privilege of doing Lazy Man Approved Part 2 in this house. Nicely decorated space. I would have a hard time figuring out whether I want to hang out in this spot or hang out in that formal living room. Since this is closer to the action with the food, I think this might be the hot zone of the house for me. Might watch TV and then venture over for a snacky snack. Nothing like a grown man having a good snacky snack. So we can go ahead and mosey on over to here. I know y'all probably heard it by now. We got some birds in here chirping. The smoke detector birds are chirping in here. And I know that black folks get a bad rep for not changing the batteries in the smoke detector. So I'm saying this now. This is not my fault. These battery chirps are not on me. I'm not taking the blame for my people on this one. This is Clayton Holmes has got it chirping in here like that. But I digress. So nice dining room area here, staged perfectly. Got your nice double doors here. You can get your patio action going. That'll be nice access for yourself to the backyard and to your patio living. So I'm gonna take you back to the other side of the house where all the bedrooms are. You have to flow through the living room area to get to the bedroom side of the house. So our first stop that we have over here now is our bathroom area. So we got our tub shower combo, fiberglass. And there we have it, Le Royal Throne. Nice handles and pulls on the cabinets here. Nice modern square sink. Standard lighting here. Now right off of this bathroom, we have this bedroom. Now all the bedrooms are carpeted. So we'll take a look at this smaller bedroom here. We'll check out the closet in this room. And right here we have our laundry room area. Recessed lighting in there. Vinyl sheet flooring continues into this space. Access to your panel. Got shelving here that will go right above your washer and dryer area. Got our hookups down here. Another access to the rear of the house is the back door of the home. So they got it set up. So if you come into the back door, got kind of like a mudroom-like style closet. So you can hang up and kick off some boots down here. Now this half of the house is where the utility lives. We got behind this door, our HVAC system. And we got our water heater here. So as soon as you leave out of the laundry room, we got another bedroom right here. We're gonna take a step into this one. Same footprint as the other one. Decent closets there, wire racks. As soon as you come out of this bedroom, you are going to where the people who pay bills live and sleep. The primary suite, where the players dwell. Much wider layout in here, fully carpeted. Got your closet right there on the back wall. Natural light coming in through that window. A little bit more forgiving on the closet space in this particular unit. So we got our U-shaped closet here, wire racks across the top. I know most of y'all are not a fan, but you can always put your own razzle dazzle here whenever you feel like it. Customize it to however you want it. Oh, no, I'm not gonna show you that yet. Patience, my Padawan, patience. So coming right out of the closet, this is the layout of the bedroom from the back wall. Got our two windows here. So we're gonna hop into this primary bathroom. I know this is what you guys wanna see. Nice stand-up shower area here. Nice cabinetry and hardware, square sinks, brushed nickel finishing. We got our dual mirrors. We got our two sinks to keep the marriage together. And for those of you that like to baste in your own juices, we got the nice soaker tub here for you. Modern, brushed nickel finishing. Right by the window to let in that natural light. Nice little courtesy nook for the royal throne over there. Nice sized bathroom, nice layout. Now for some of you uncoordinated types the can't walk and chew gum. You do have to step to get up into this shower. So when you're coming out all wet and slippery, that could get ugly if you don't have your affairs right with your hand and eye coordination. Just letting you know up front. Now we got one of the most muscular shower heads I've ever seen. Nice modern style. Kind of has like the rain style effect the way it's positioned. Has a detachable wand there so you can get in all the right places the way you need to. It's kind of funny because this shower head kind of reminds me like you're pushing buttons in an elevator. Looks like an elevator with an intercom. Next stop, Lather City on the next floor. Elevator shower. Only at Clayton. But definitely overall, loving this house. I know a lot of people in the comments say, you take us through the house and they all have the same layout. It's the same thing. Lies. It's all lies. Because this is my first time walking through this particular floor plan, spaced out like this. So the Atlantic had an extra treat for you guys. That's why you got to tune in to see what I got for you. All right, I see that look in your eye. I know what you want. You're hanging around because you want to know how much this Mickey Ficky costs. So I got you, say no more. The price of this home is $175,559. And there you have it, another mobile home tour in the history books. Please do not forget that if you want to try to get your hands on a used mobile home, or if you're trying to get rid of a mobile home, I could be your mobile home gun for hire. Just give your boy a call. And with that said, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.